We're here today at 869 Armstrong Road in Summersville, West Virginia. A beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with plenty of space, great storage, a 2-car attached garage that sits on 2 different lots here in beautiful Summersville, West Virginia. Let's check it out together. And as you come in the front door, up front is this great formal living room, great for entertaining, great for friends. And then also one interesting part of this house is actually we have an additional room that was added on that would make for, you could open this up and make this your living room, or maybe even turn this into a master suite. So a lot of opportunity right out the front door. And coming out of the formal living room, we come into the eat-in kitchen. It's got a great space for a dining room table, of course. And then also you can see plenty of room in the kitchen for, again, entertaining, cooking for yourselves, however. And it's real nice that you can come right out of the dining room into this large patio area. And you can see the view around, the farmland behind, and the nice privacy that this home offers. Walking into the master bedroom, you can see the closet over there, and also it does have an attached half bath. Here's the hallway bathroom that serves one of the secondary bedrooms, but then also could be used for the master bath. Good space and convenient right off of where the living room and dining room are. Stepping into the first of the secondary bedrooms, you can see it's very large, would be good for maybe even multiple children, a home office, or maybe even a home workout area. So here we're above the 2-car attached garage. You can see this is a great space for kids to have their own living room or play space. This does come with the additional 2 bedrooms, one on the right and one on the left. And then also you can see there's a full bathroom in the middle there, which makes this great for children to kind of have their own space right here above the garage. And of course we have the 2-car attached garage, perfect for getting the groceries in during the winter. Woodworking shop, storage, or anything you want to make it right here attached to the home with this beautiful driveway coming up to it. Perfect for anyone who's looking for the convenience of an attached garage. My name is Garrett Cole, and I'm the listing agent here at 869 Armstrong Road in Summersville. It'd be my pleasure to show you this house, see if it fits your needs, and see if it might be the one. If not, we can always try for another. But I encourage you to give this house a chance. Again, my name is Garrett Cole. I'm the broker of Lakewood Real Estate Service, and thank you for watching this video.